In this video, you'll learn how to give access to a Google Drive link to everyone, so anyone with that link can open it without needing special permission. This is really useful when you're sharing files for a class, a team project, or sending documents to people who don't use your email provider. First, open Google Drive in your browser or through the app. Make sure you're signed into the account that owns the file or folder you want to share. It's easy to accidentally be logged into the wrong account, especially if you use more than one, so take a quick second to confirm you're in the right one by checking the profile icon in the top right corner. Next, locate the file or folder you want to share. This could be a document, a spreadsheet, a slide deck, a PDF, or even an entire folder of content. Once you've found it, right-click on it. On a computer, that means using the right mouse button or trackpad equivalent. When you do this, a menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click on Get Link. This opens a sharing window where you control who can access the file and what they're allowed to do with it. This is the main place where you'll set everything up. In the sharing window, look for the section called General Access. By default, it usually says something like restricted, which means only people you specifically add by email can open it. To allow broader access, click on that setting and change it to anyone with the link. Once you choose anyone with the link, the file or folder becomes accessible to anyone who has that URL. They won't need to sign in, and you won't have to approve each person one by one. This is powerful, but it also means you should be careful with what you share. Avoid using this setting for anything private, sensitive, or personal. Now you'll choose the permission level. Right next to anyone with the link, you'll see a drop-down that lets you select what people can do with the file. You'll see three options: viewer, commenter, and editor. Viewer is the safest and most common choice. People can open and read the file, but they cannot change anything. Use this if you're sharing a final document, a presentation, or a file you don't want others to modify. Commenter lets people add comments and suggestions, but they still can't change the original content directly. This is great for getting feedback on drafts or collaborating on ideas while keeping control of the main document. Editor gives full editing access. Anyone with the link can change, delete, or add content. Only use this for trusted collaborators because any changes they make will affect the original file for everyone. Once you've picked the right permission level, you're ready to share. In the same window, you'll see a link that Google Drive has generated for you. Click the option to copy the link. Now you can paste it wherever you need, in an email, a chat message, a document, or on a website. And that's it. You've set your file or folder so anyone with the link can access it, chosen the right permission level, and copied the link to share.